Oh, that shit is hot. Super simple crock pot dish. Few ingredients. Doesn't take long for prep, so let's get started. All right, once we got the chicken skinned and boned, we're gonna go ahead and we are going to chop up our buttered biscuits into quarters, just like that. We're gonna drop them in here. I got the crock pot set on high, and basically, since the chicken's already done, the only thing we have to wait for is our biscuits to cook. There it is. We got 2 containers of biscuits, 1 rotisserie chicken, and all the seasonings. I'll have a list of the seasonings in the description for you guys to check out. Now we're just gonna close this up, wait 2 hours, check on it and see if those biscuits are done. And it'll be time to eat. So it's done. I got this recipe off of the Dano Seasoning website. He said it was quick and easy, except for he did his in a pot. I did mine in a crock pot just because I had a lot of stuff to do today. So I'm gonna give this a few minutes to cool off, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna let you know how well it tastes. All right, it's still steaming hot. Let's hope I don't burn myself. It's definitely your traditional chicken and dumplings. It's a lot easier without having to make all the biscuits. Using that rotisserie chicken and adding the seasonings that you want. Make it flavorful the way you like it. Super easy. Took about 3 hours to cook in the crock pot. And maybe a little bit faster if you do it in a traditional pot, but I highly recommend it. Give it a shot. Thanks for watching.